Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to make your own GIFs on Twitter. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Here you can see I'm already inside my application. Now at the bottom right, you can see plus icon. You need to tap on that. Now at the bottom side, if you see there is an album icon, you need to tap on that. Now there you can see camera icon at the top, tap on that. And there you can see three options: capture, GIF or live. Now for this video we are about to create GIF, so we will go on that option. Now simply move your camera to the GIF that you want to create. For example, we are about to create the GIF of this background wallpapers. Now all you need to do is tap on that record section. And now you can see that the GIF has been created. If you want to retake, then there you can see the option of retake at the bottom left. You can tap on that. If not, then you can tap on the option use GIF. Now here you can enter your thoughts. And after that, you can simply tap on post. And this is how you can create GIFs on Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.